It's your boy C-Kid here, man. Back with another video for y'all. Now, today's video, I am hyped. I finally got in the LG 55-inch G3 OLED goodness. Now, we get the A9 Gen 6 processor, 70% brightness. Now, a lot of this has to do with all of the hype and rave around this TV when it comes to that brand new MLA technology that LG kind of got in their pocket right now. And then you also get ThinQ, which is their whole ecosystem. And then as a bonus, now all of my lights here in the studio that I got, as well as throughout my home, is all Philips Hue lights, and that can also be controlled through this TV here. And then you also got WebOS TV, which is basically like their Netflix. You can download the apps for that. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and get this bad boy unboxed, and I can show you guys every single thing you're gonna get here, and then we're gonna get it set up, and we're gonna go from there. All right, so let me go ahead and grab grandma's scissors here. I recommend you guys don't do that. These, because we don't need those. Pull these tabs. Woo, that was a long one. Pull this tab right here. You don't even have to cut the top. You literally just pull these bad boys up. Hopefully it stands on its own, because if it don't, your boy in trouble. Uh-oh, did we get it to stay on its own? Your boy is goated. All right, so we're gonna set the box off to the side. Boom, don't need that. Boom, don't need that. TV is definitely thicker, that's for sure. All right, let's go ahead and lift this bad boy up and get it sit down. Oh, wait a minute, maybe I am missing something in the box. Oh no, take that back, y'all. You probably should cut the top. You do get, hold on, let me pull this out. All right, so now we got everything out of the box this time. Now, a couple other things that you guys get in the package. You do get this wall-mounted bracket. Now, when it comes to the LG G3 TV here, this TV here is basically made for you guys to mount this up against the wall because of its flat design, which is a huge, huge selling point for me when it comes to this TV. Since I'm personally not gonna be actually using a wall-mounted bracket, we don't necessarily need that, because I wanted something to still be able to sit this up on top of like an entertainment center or desk or something like that. So what I end up buying is I bought this bracket right here, and I'll have this link for you guys down in the description section below. But basically, it's like a mounting bracket that still allows you guys to be able to sit it up on something like this without it actually being mounted to a wall. Very low profile, and I'm gonna show you guys this whole setup. But again, I'll have this link for you guys down below. Last but not least, you do get your remote control as well as all of your manuals and all of that. But let's be honest, man, y'all didn't come here for that. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is the one. This is the one I've been waiting for right here. Now, while I'm getting this set up here, you do get 4 HDMI inputs that's outputting 4K at 120. And then you also get 3 USB ports here also on the back. Now, for me, I would have liked to seen LG possibly put all of the ports on one side. You know, again, just a minor little change that I would like to see. But let's go ahead and get this bracket out of here, because I got to figure out how to put this bad boy together. So we finally got the stand and everything here built up. Now, hopefully the moment of truth is that the stand actually works for this TV. Get this bad boy up on here. Oh, we in there. Oh, let's go. Again, if y'all want this stand here, man, if you like this setup and aesthetic, kind of what I have going on right here, then I'll definitely link this down in the description section below, along with the TV as well, because you can get this here at Best Buy. All right, so let's go ahead and power this bad boy up for the first time. And here we go, man. And here we go, man. Finally, we got everything set up here. We got the TV on. Now I want to kind of walk you guys through the interface here and just show you some of the things that you do get. We get kind of like our input here. We got our home office here. We got our home hub, sports, game, and music. The two things here as far as game and music, the reason why they're disabled is for right now, I think it has this whole processing that it has to do to install them, because it did the same thing with the C3, and then eventually it just became enabled. Go ahead and move down here. We get kind of like our app tray here. So we got my Netflix, we got Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, and then scrolling down here, we got our trending now. So these are just some of the things that's trending. And then we got our now streaming, and that's pretty much it. Now, again, this is something that I like when it comes to LG and kind of what they're doing with it, especially shorten it than what we got on something like the C2. Now let's go ahead and go into settings. I want to see if we got that new menu, which we do. So we do have the same tile menu that we saw on the C3, which is dope. Now the first thing I want to test out here, we got to get into some gaming. Let's go ahead and launch open the PS5 and let's go ahead and get it cracking, y'all. I will say, man, the screen brightness is pretty good for the most part. Like the details, like look at that, y'all. The shadows, pretty good. You can really see it over here as far as kind of like the shadows, as far as the deep blacks. But yeah, overall, man, I'm liking it so far, but let's get to it. Sit down, boy. Sit down, boy. Got him. Got him. Nope, nope, not today. Not today. Can we snipe him? Oh. Oh, he up top. Nope. Nope. Come on, show up. Ah, come on. Ah, you know what? Snipe coming out. Nope. 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 Sit down, boy. Snipe game on deck, baby. Snipe game on deck, baby. Let's go. Oh, he chopped. Oh, he chopped. Oh, he chopped. Don't sit there, boy. Don't sit there, boy. Trying to tell you. Got him. Got him. Oh, he lucky. Nope, you ain't gonna get that chance. Nope, nope. Oh, he gonna come out this way, y'all. Come on, show your face. Show your face. Ooh, got him. He about to get chopped. He about to get chopped, boy. That's what you get, boy. Headshots only. Headshots. Oh, that's cap. Come on. Can't tell me I didn't hit him. Wow. Nope. Sit down, boy. Why am I so cold with it? Come on, man. All right, so 23 chops on him. But anyway, man, as y'all can see, gaming on the G3, man, I felt like it was pretty smooth for the most part. The picture quality on it is ridiculous. I felt like as far as like enemies hiding in the shadows, I felt like it was a whole lot easier to be able to see them as far as this screen being so bright. I felt like it really wasn't an issue at all, man. It actually helps as far as games like this. As you can see, like with the sniping, just made it ridiculously easy. Phenomenal, man. All right, so I want to go ahead and switch on over to like watching movies and stuff like that on here, because this is also something that a lot of people with a TV like this is going to do. Now, one of my favorite movies that I personally like to play when it comes to like testing out TVs like this is The Lion King. I feel like The Lion King is just one of those like dope looking movies that just looks so good that is definitely worth using when you guys are testing out TVs. Let me go ahead and just kind of look at this for a second, but I think as far as my initial impression, this looks ridiculously good. Now, as far as the brightness on it, let me go ahead and turn that up just a little bit just so I can see it. Now, it might blur out here in camera, but I want to be able to see and really test out this brightness levels. Let's go for it, man. Let's go 100% and turn it all the way up. Now, this is a perfect scene because, again, you can't see it here on the screen, but as far as the black levels and the shadows is so good. It's still like everything is properly exposed on here, and it just makes it look crispy. Now, I do want to go to a scene that has a little bit more of like bright. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is ridiculous. Oh man, that's crazy. One of the things that I'm seeing here is, as far as the dynamic range of what we get as far as the sky, I can clearly still see a lot of the clouds and all of that that's on here, man. The high dynamic range on here is ridiculous. And then as well as the shadows, like I can still see a lot of the details here in the rock, as well as still being able to see the tree here, the tree line here. I can also see the lion in itself. Like you can still see a lot of the details in this picture right here, along with the top here. But the fact that I still have all of that information that's still there is, hey, bravo, man. LG, hey, I see you. But yeah, overall, man, I think even here, like I can still see a lot of the information over there. Just looks super good, man. This is, hey, LG, y'all got something special here, y'all. But yeah, man, overall, man, I felt like this TV here is a pretty solid TV so far. Again, I'm still testing it out. I got a lot more testing that I'm gonna be doing with this as far as testing out audio, still doing some changes with like my picture profile and color settings and all of that stuff like that. And again, if you guys wanna see my settings up for this, then go ahead and let me know down below. And don't get me wrong, man, I still have been reading you guys' comments because you guys have been asking about my settings, my profiles, and different things like that when it comes to my PlayStation, as well as when it comes to just watching movies and stuff like that. So that is definitely going to be coming, but I am going to be also giving you guys my 1 week review. That's going to be coming as well. So definitely be on the lookout for all of that here in the near future, man. But that pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys got any questions, man, let me know down in the comment section below. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more content. Click on that subscribe button, man, because we're on our way to 100K. You guys have been going crazy on hitting that subscribe button. So let's go ahead and run it up and let's keep going to that 100K mark. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad. This TV is crazy.